Go ahead.
Question.
Go ahead.
About it was about Shabbos. If my sister made a deal on Shabbos, I didn't know anything about that. After she finished the deal, he wanted to give me the money. What can I do with that?
You can do anything you want with that. I mean, you are not part of the deal. It's not like you benefit from her doing anything. You understand? So okay. One second. So let me explain the whole point that we're discussing here. So a Jew is not allowed to do the trading or to do business on Shabbos on one hand, but if somebody did it on Jewish behalf without him asking, so there is no problem. Especially if somebody did, not especially if a non-Jew did something for me. For example, I don't know, he fixed my fence. Did I ask him? No, I didn't ask him to fix my fence. Did I want my fence to be fixed? Yeah, I want it, right? But he did it on his own accord. He did not. I did not ask him. He just did it. Okay, so I can benefit. There is no problem, right? Or somebody bought something for me. Let's say it was, I don't know, kosher wine was on sale in that store, non-Jewish store, 50% off, let's say, right? Somebody bought for me this kosher wine. Of course, I can give them personal money. There is no problem. There is no problem. I can benefit. So if, especially non-Jew, if Jew did it for me, yes, that would be a problem. So I cannot benefit for that for some duration of the time, right? It depends. In general, I'm answering now. I'm switching to general. In some instances, you're not allowed to benefit for duration of the time that it takes to do such thing. For example, a Jew, my Jewish neighbor cooked a cake, right? Bake a cake for me, and they brought it. We invited for Friday over, and she comes. And it's a very warm cake, meaning that she just took out of the oven, right? And she said, no, it's all kosher, this and that. Let's say, right? We're not going to eat it, but let's say, right? So we're not allowed to benefit from that cake until after Shabbos. It takes from the beginning to make this cake. Let's say it takes I don't know, like 2 hours until the dough rises, stuff like that. So only after this time we can benefit. Right, but if you ask somebody, so like, and they did something for you, you can never benefit. If you ask somebody if a Jew did it for you, you can never benefit. Okay.